Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete call recording in iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to delete call recording in iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Note app on your iPhone. So make sure you go back to the Note home like this. Then locate and click on call recordings. Here you have access to all your call recordings on your iPhone. To delete the call recordings, all you need to do is press and hold the call recording you want to delete. Then locate and click on delete. Export that says delete note and move to recently deleted folders. Click on OK. Repeat this on all the call recordings you want to delete. After that, go back to the home screen and then locate and click on recently deleted. Click on edit, then check and then click on delete. Click on delete note and then you are good. So that is basically how to delete call recording in iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.